Welcome back, Shopify entrepreneurs. Today, we're tackling a crucial aspect of your online business, setting up shipping on your Shopify store. I am Steven and you're watching TechSpress. So let's dive in. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about why having a well-thought-out shipping strategy is key. So the importance of a well-structured shipping strategy is that shipping can make or break a sale. So a transparent and efficient shipping strategy builds trust and keeps customers coming back. In order to configure shipping zones in rate, jumping into the Shopify dashboard, let's type and configure our shipping zones and the rates. So first of all, let's focus into our store. Now here, what I want to do is to go directly into my settings. You can see that we have a lot of stuff we can all get started. So what I wanted to do is to get started here into the shipping and cost. So scrolling a little bit down here to shipping and delivery, you can see that we have the general products, the rates for, and all of that. Usually, if you have shipping profiles, for example, Printify, another print on demand, drop shipping, usually all the shipping and delivery should be done automatically. But if you wanted to get started with mixing rates based on the weight, the price, or the flat rate, whichever suits your business models, let's get started with offering the free shipping and customization options. Now, want to entice your customers with free shipping and provide unique options? Well, we can make this happen. We want to explore the psychology of free shipping and customize your options to align with your business goals. So don't forget to consider handling fee if needed. So let's say, for example, here that I can get started with the general shipping rates. I click on it and you can see that we have the options to add it directly into a product or two of them. Now here, as you can see, we have just generated the shipping original from where it comes from and where it's going. I choose the option that says international, and directly here into the international for all of the countries is going to be costing them $20. So this is the standard price for the international. So this won't be able to check out because all the countries are in active market. So to activate this, we need to go directly into the markets. This one should be sending us directly into the market section of the settings. So here what I wanted to do is to go and focus into the shipping cost, and here into the shipping cost you can enable different rates and profiles. If you're focusing to sell only into United States, just choose United States, go for the standard plan, and you can manage directly into the shipping. So as you can see here, I have my general profile of one product. So I choose my product, and to charge different rates for only certain products, we needed to create a new profile into the shipping settings. I needed to go back, and here into the shipping and delivery, I needed to go for create a new profile. And here I only choose the specific product I wanted to get charged for. For example, I could scroll a little bit down and I choose this one and I hit now into done. Now for this product, the name should be, let's say for example, fragile product. There we go. The shipping zones, I create my zone and I only wanted to sell this product into the United States and into Canada. I hit now into done and the zone name should be USA and Canada. I hit now into done, and here as you can see I have the rates customers. I'm getting started with the rates. So the rate name should be the standard and the price, let's say for example only $15, because it's not going to be costing me a lot. That's the reason why I only focus into two countries. You don't want to focus into international. So I can get started by covering the shipping zones if I wanted to add more, but in my case I'm just going to focus on just in that. I hit now into save, and you can see that we have the custom shipping rates for one product with 3 different variants and the 4 locations into just one zone. So before you go live, let's run some tests to ensure your shipping workflow is smooth and error-free. So test different scenarios, check the checkout process, communicate clear shipping details to your customers. A seamless shipping experience contributes to the happy customers. So check out which one fits with you the best, and then later on everything should be now working great. So to make the test of how it's going to be looking, just go back into your store, here into view your online store, check out the product what you actually make, the specification, hit into add to the cart, see what happens when you hit into the checkout, what happens when you go for the shipping, the cost, and all of that. So that's the reason why you wanted to test and ensure the smooth shipping is the workflow. After you have done this, well, there you have it. You have the congratulations now because all of this has been now done successfully. So, guys, if you have any questions, if you found this helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Shopify insights into TechSpress. Remember, you have a link down below in the description so you can always get started totally for free here into Shopify, and you're having a huge deal if you want to have your online store for the next 3 months for only $1. Thanks for joining me. Now go ahead, fine-tune your shipping strategy, watch your Shopify store deliver a top-notch experience. Until next time, happy shipping and selling.